I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics out of the way fast. Make a complete backup so you can restore settings, then disable passcode, and find My iPhone to allow full device access. Once done, install 3utools plus Apple mobile drivers on the PC and use an original Lightning cable for a stable connection. Make sure battery sits between 30 and 80%. That prevents mid-process shutdowns and protects the cells while the tool reads capacity and prepares calibration. You now run the actual repair. Open 3utools, go to Toolbox then Battery, and record the reported capacity and cycle count for reference. Select Battery Calibration or Real Capacity and follow the on-screen prompts. The tool will run measurement cycles and adjust readings. If calibration isn't available for your model, use Safe Flash with matching firmware only and let the utility complete the operation without interrupting power. This recalibrates the battery controller and corrects erroneous health reports. You finish by verifying the updated health percentage and cycle count inside 3utools. Note any change and restore your backup if everything looks correct. If numbers remain off, rerun calibration once more after a normal charge cycle, but avoid repeating indefinitely. If calibration fails or 3utools reports hardware errors, save the error details and proceed to authorized Apple service or a battery replacement. This is the reliable next step. A key troubleshooting tip: if the tool disconnects, check cable, drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.